We are now joined by Coach Leote of San Miguel. Coach, your thoughts lang of this game. Medyo short lang yung preparation with the import, but kumusta naman po yung adjustment following that defeat?
Well, I think what happened the important, makikita niyo naman kanina, he really wants to play and I give him a lot of time because he's not yet hindi pa nakaka-adjusted to the Philippine brand of basketball. He's trying to figure it out, And then yesterday we have a long practice, for him to know what kind of plays we're going to run, But the good thing with him is, lahat na sinasabi namin, he was able to pick it up right away. And going to this game, we're really worried because at 1-2 we cannot afford to lose another game. At 1-3 before the break of the Holy Week, and then it's a good, magandang baon ito para papunta na simbahan. Maraming babati sa inyo, ganyan na nananalo kayo. And of course, this game's talagang we have to control our turnover because out of 13 turnovers, they scored 19 points. But the good thing is we're able to limit their scoring from the 3-point area because the last game nila against Magnolia, 17. And tonight, they only have 6 out of 31. So that's huge. And that's one thing na talagang we're trying to limit yung kanilang 3-point shooting.
Congratulations sa performance ni Justin ngayon, really important. Malaking bagay na productive siya ngayon and now proceeds that going to the Nebra game on Easter Sunday.
I think medyo nawawala pa siya ngayon, pero I think mas madami pa naman araw na mapag-practice, so mas magiging familiar siya sa system ni Coach Leo. And as of now, it's impressive na maganda yung nilaro niya despite of isang practice na ata siya. So ngayon, hopefully sa mga susunod na game mag-pick pa yung laro niya ngayon. May panalo pa naman.
Coach, malaking bagay na si Jericho nabalik na rin after the first 3 games.
Yeah, especially tonight because we don't have Jerome who could play sometimes point guard and Chris Rosales, and ginawa niya yung role ng point guard kanina and makikita mo naman yung leadership niya and then maganda ron, nag-enjoy siya sa game in spite of long layoff niya. I think last game niya is February 1, March 1 sa Guam, with this injury, and then very hesitant pa nga si mag-shoot up, I just talked to him yesterday na badly needed siya because of Rosales is not healthy to play because something wrong with his foot, but I think he can recover. And 3 players, and even Don Trujano is hindi 100% because of some injuries. Mabuti na lang talagang gusto rin nila maglaro at gusto rin manalo. And ayun, sana yun ang talagang natutunan nila, yung winning attitude.
Coach, ano lang yung main factor that led to your decision to change import from Marcus Lee to Justin?
Yeah, I think a few inches lang lumaki si Justin Patton, and then based on the clips na nakikita namin, he can shoot from the two out of the shaded area, and makikita natin yung about sa rim sa kanya. He is a good rebounder. Kanina talaga makikita yung kanyang yung size niya. So something na could intimidate dahil na-limit namin yung inside points ng kalaban, except yung mga second chance points nila, yung mga napulot, ganyan. Pero wala halos makapenetrate sa kanya.
CJ, nag-uusap lang kami kanina rito, mukhang pumayat ka ngayon, nagpa-condition ka pa for this class.
Wala na kasi makain. Siyempre, every conference ka na talaga condition ka kasi if hindi, mahuhuli ka. So, yun. Siyempre, tagal ko na din nagbo-basketball, so I think konting conditioning and strengthening. Okay. So,
Coach, big games yung mga darating na kalaban nyo. Ano bang plano nyo for this coming Holy Week?
Yeah, actually yung plano natin yung nag-start kahapon yun eh. So we have to win against Maccabi because it gives us some confidence and may inspired player, especially if we have a new import, kailangan yun eh. Dahil alam mo naman ng mga players, ganyan pagka nakita ang import mo, hindi nakakatulong. Yung confidence nila bumababa eh. But tonight's game, I think it will help a lot us dahil especially on rebounding and then rim protectors here. And that's why yung mga susunod na game against Ginebra, Reno Shine, and then halos malalakas ito, nasa top ito eh. And I think it will be an exciting game for us. And dahil we have at least 3 days to practice before our game on April 5.
Anong break mo po? Anong break mo?
And tomorrow we will be having a break, and then we will practice on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday preparation para sa Ginebra game. And that's the usual thing na ginagawa namin eh. Kaya hinihiling ko sa mga player sacrifice eh. Anyway, this is the Holy Week, so a lot of sacrifices ang ginagawa ng mga tao. That's one thing. Katulad dito mga ito.
Tayo magnilay-nilay.
Kailangan magnilay-nilay sila.
Okay, Coach. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.